I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA Review. Today is March 27, Wednesday, 2024. Man, this thing is pushing up right now. It's crazy. I knew it would, and I took out early. Oh well. But so real quick, from if you watched yesterday's video, so it makes sense. I was talking about if we didn't buy from here, keep going up like past this level, then we would come back most likely and take out these lows and then get into this area right here, right? The time of the recording is 10:29 in the video. And then, what do you call it? Taking that buy that I took, I was mentioning, minimum targets were here and here. So obviously the reason for that is because of this low we broke down on this time frame. You can see that it's like the buyer's remorse scenario. So come and seal the price. So that was a minimum target. Up here was the same story. You could have used this low as well as a target. You could have used this low as well. And that's kind of like what I'm highlighting right here. Plus we have that piece of liquidity that's sitting right up there, that little swing right there for the people who got in at the last moment, which is can be a controller price coming down, but obviously not for long term. But yeah. So that being the case here, you'll see here's that entry that came in, and then here you can see 9:30, right before 9:30. It's 9:27 here, 9:28. So right here, the price comes and reaches that weak fucking gap that I've been talking about all week. That I knew this would be a problem, not problem, but if you'd have to focus on it. But come and wiped out. We ended up I had alerts going on at night, so no lows were getting broken, and I had an alert here and here in this area, and they never got hit until later in the day. So I woke up and fucking beautiful profit, and 8:30 pushed it up right here. Now I dropped the ball, man. I super dropped the ball, but I haven't been on my A game lately, but I recognize that. But and then I thought today, which is now Wednesday, I thought today was the fucking news, but it's Thursday. I don't know because I was celebrating Pop's birthday yesterday, and I don't really drink. And when I do, it's like, man, I feel like I get hit by a bus in the next day. So I really don't drink. I just on the weekend, if it's a celebration or going out. But anyways, point is, I'm just like, you can hear it in my voice now. But anyways, I dropped the ball. I have three options with this trade. Pay attention because I know I'm rambling. There's a lot to say. So at this point, I have three options. Number one, take the profit, be smarter than I really should be, and I was gonna wait for the price to retrace back down or sell into it, and then take the buy back, right, for the next final swing high or swing, right, and that's option one. Option two, um, once the trade is out here and um, take this sell here from here, right, take the sell down here and then buy, right. Option three, um, obviously you're gonna sell all the way down and you're bearish. And I hope I made it very clear yesterday that this is still a lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? Not lower low, but low, but that's a lower high and that's a lower high, right? So we're still kind of retracing back, and that this coming where we are right now is essentially another lower high. Even though I was mentioning higher low to higher high and higher low, when I meant higher high, I don't mean higher high than that. I just mean the higher high in this leg up, right? A little confusing, but I'm not sure. I mentioned about this, but I don't think I did a good job explaining it. I don't think I have to. I'm assuming that you know that too, right? So, anyways, when the price is here, you got to understand this is real life. So everyone's going to show you about their trades afterwards, this and that, whatever the case is, but they're not talking it through and really what happened. Okay, so anyways, when I dropped the ball, option three would be to sell and take out these lows and make a new low for another lower low. Plus, I had that imbalance that I was talking about there that we never hit on fucking Monday, right? That was Monday, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, that was Jesus, I don't even remember what fucking day that is anymore. Yeah. So, anyways, um, well, sure enough, the I missed a trade. So I picked option two. So, but I did not catch the sell on top of it. So, when this candle came down, I wanted to get a retrade. What do you call it? A retrace. I wanted to get a retest of this, either the opening or the actual up candles, and it's sitting inside, and they didn't give that opportunity. Straight imbalances the whole way, so it kind of threw me off guard. And by that time, I was like, okay, missed the sell, right? Even though I had super game here on the rejections right there up top of the that week, that old week that's sitting there, plus the body sitting inside here, like, man, and then it was beautiful. I couldn't. Matter of fact, I talked myself out of the trade because I was so greedy of wanting to retrace and buy back up so I can go and take out this highs, knowing damn well that this is still a lower high, right? But shit happens. And then when the price comes down, take a buy here. I take the buy here. Let me go to. So maybe it makes more sense here. When I take the buy here, I understand that I've wiped out these two pieces of liquidity. This is a 5 minute though. And then we came in here, and pretty much I'm looking at this as going to be as some sort of support, right? Pretty much cleaning out the imbalances. You can see on the 15 minute, these two. And then we had this last down candle. So when we hit that last down candle, I'm like, all right, cool. That's perfect support. Let's shoot up. And that didn't happen. So obviously knowing that, price shot down, and I had to let it go. So where am I going at this point? Like, if you ever see that meme where they say the moment he realizes he fucked up, and that was that moment. So, anyways, I had to let that trade go. So no problem. Okay, cool. Even though I am beating myself up for that. This would have been my biggest day ever. And I fucked it up, but it is what it is. And there's a bust coming every moment. You're getting at least two of these trades a day, so no big deal. And damn, I can't believe this thing is still fucking going. Watch it do what I wanted it to do. Oh my god, I swear. The reason why I'm saying that is because I caught that buy. So when we came down here, current day today, we got down, took out the lows. We got into that level I was mentioning, obviously, in the video. This level right here, look at that precision. Look at that, it's perfect down here. So I was mentioning this area. Yeah, I mentioned this too, but I mean, for the near term, we're talking about here, right here, and what do you call it? So, anyways, let me go to 1 minute. Let me go to 1 minute. So, with that being the case, we're down here. All right, you get to kind of your little three drives moving real fast, dude. And you could have pushed sell on any one of these candle closes. Any one of these 1 minute candle closes, damn near, you could have just and put your stop loss above that candle. You would have been flowing the whole way. And I know that's an entry model. I don't really trade like that. I do see that though. And if you're not hearing this for the first time here, you've heard I've mentioned it before on this channel. But anyways, so price shoots down. We're in that area. All right, you get a drive down, you get a raid down. That's what I'm looking for. And if my stop loss is not within 10 points, I don't take it. So I don't need it to be 15, 20 points above. Listen, I'm not taking the trade if I'm not getting offered, it within 10 points. Sometimes it's 12, whatever, right? But anything more than that, it's like I'm not involved. Preferably would like to be in 5, right? But if the trade is not within 10, I'm not taking it. And then as soon as it's gone, I start moving it up, right? So like right here, you see 387 as an entry and 378 as a stop loss, right? So that's whatever, 10 points, right? So in that case, I'm moving this thing up, right? So I reduce it to 5 automatically, right? I'm already looking for this pattern entry, right? I show it on this channel every day. So ain't no one gonna tell me that I don't know how to catch bottoms and tops, right? Like I'm like the fucking master of liquidity. Some people call it turtle soup. Some people call it this and that. Yo, I don't give a fuck what you call it. I've been trading this since for years and only this way. So that being the case, I hope that explains a way for you to kind of get better entries or manage your risk and blah, 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 and all that. Yeah, I'm not afraid of it, right? Because you see it every day. Anyways, the point is this. I end up fucking getting out here. And what happened is so we came up and we shifted above this high right here. We shifted and then we're playing around. We make this low, then we come up and we got these kind of these three drives. But at this point, when you take this buy, you have a minimum target of coming back to that break where we took, right? So you can see that I get out here. I get out early, bro, because I'm fucking not only am I exhausted, but I have a family trip that I have to get ready for, and I'll probably trade Thursday, but Thursday evening, I'll be gone for the whole week, and no Friday trading for me. So I'm trading accordingly. I'm just getting out early, but this was a minimum area. This was actually a minimum area right here. Okay, so when we broke that low, as you can see to the right, oh, you can't see it to the right, but that low right there, when we broke through that, that's a minimum target. Also, this area right here, this could be a control of price. And I saw this as a beautiful sell because it might have went all the way through, but you had to sit through this whole fucking thing because in reality, you're still gonna make a lower high. Why are you gonna make this lower high that it just shot up for? Because they're fucking greedy. There's no money down here. Everyone, whoever caught this up, I doubt that you caught this up here, right? Number one. Number two, they're just breaking out. They're just getting to the breakout artists. After that, where's the money here? If you look at the chart, it's all the people who sold, right? So I stick with the script and keep it simple. Lower high, lower low, buying up. And as you see, I got out early. So got out right here. And the price is still pushing. So I wasn't sure if we were gonna get stuck the rest of the day here or tomorrow, but this is a minimum buy. It's a minimum trade right here, right? Minimum trade. So as you see where we are now, we have popped up here back into the opening range, back into these up candles right here, and my minimum target also not minimum. My second minimum target was this high right here because this is where I fucking bought, and really it was just a resistance level, and I knew that. So you got to understand, even when I make these mistakes, I know what I'm risking or what I'm doing, what the other possibilities are. So I'm only playing with the right possibilities, right? So, and why would I say this level? Because everybody sold from here too. Of course, I'm over here in a different world, after catching this massive push from end to end, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to beat up myself because I did a little bit. I was frustrated. I was like, damn, dude, and just so you know, the third option that I had was to sell this and take this low out. My instinct told me to do that instead of buying up. But you know who made this decision to buy up again here? Greed or getting married to something. And sometimes we do that. So that's the challenges that everyone faces. I still battle with those. I will probably always battle with that because the market will show you different things, right? They create a behavior for you to be following. So I try to kind of be the opposite. But my fucking gut told me to take this sell and to take it all the way below here. I've already got it outlined for 3 days. It's not like this is a brand new. I've just told you about this yesterday. So it's all about making good decisions, man. And I made 2 bad decisions in a row, and then I had to let it go. But guess what? I took this buy, homie. I didn't let it. I stuck to my gun. I pushed it up once it got to here, right? At the end of the day, but it didn't matter. But yeah, the stop loss was below, so it wasn't these. It wasn't. We were getting real close, but I also had confluence with this divergence here, lower lows in NAS, higher lows in both these assets right here, So this is also a reason with dollar kind of fucking around, so it wasn't really helpful. And actually, that's a last confluence. I don't really, again, I hope you understand. Even though when I mention I want dollar to come down while we go up, or the opposite, that's just to help with the trade. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm still gonna trade the chart, my chart, right? Like that's still the case in general. And then yeah, look at this. And just so you know, I just missed out on a little bit of more money too here. But guess what? I'm gonna be done. I have to be done, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like me personally, I could have held this. I wanted to hold this for this liquidity because we just talked about. I tried to do that the last couple days, right? Failed. And then Wednesday, if I was to hold this trade up above here, today would be one of the days I have a higher probability on Wednesday in this scenario that it will pan out and go all the way up versus Monday or Tuesday, actually. So what's funny is that this is the trade I should have held, but I took it out early right here. I took it out early. Guess what? Oh well, man. It is what it is. I'm still very proud of myself, but as you see, I'm mentioning all these things so you don't feel like you're going crazy. Like everyone does go through these things, right? But I would have. Oh my god, I can't imagine. Up here 9,500, down here 15,000, up here 10,000. Oh my god, bro! Like this is a very powerful skill, as you see. And you see what I do daily basis, and I explain to you what I'm not, my fumbles, right? So it's like, you should be able to start. I mean, I hope this is helping. So I don't get a lot of engagement on the side, and I'm not looking for it, but it's the only way it's gonna keep me going. So for the people who like the 5 people who like this shit, we I appreciate you, but at the same time, like the other people just watching, you should be asking questions. You should be more involved because I don't know if you're there. And I don't even know if I'm gonna keep doing this. As you see, though, I'm a fucking beast, right? But I went through hell to do this. So, um, you know, hell, like literal hell to go through this and figure this skill out. But being able to hold this trade right here, through all this, knowing that at the end they're gonna fucking push it up, that takes chart time, right? How much chart time do you have? Like, and you're gonna ask me, how did you do it? You just do it. You just hold it. You just have to stick to it, right? And sure enough, guess what? Lower low, lower high. We got it all in the same fucking day. So again, back to pushing up Wednesday as could be the low of the day. Is this going to be the week? Is this going to be a bearish week, or is it going to flip today and tomorrow? Right. So because of Thursday is either obviously going to go into a deep retrace or it's going to push really up. I mean, I know that sounds like common sense, but that's just what it is, in my opinion. So the thing is that Wednesday could be the low and we could shoot up and go for this liquidity. Now, if that doesn't happen, what is the next option? That means Thursday. So London time, Asia London starts bringing it down, kind of like it's hard to explain. I'm not going to go into that. But if assuming that maybe we close up here and then Asia London comes down, and then Thursday shoots it to wipe out that low, and then that be the low of the week, and Thursday reverses and just wipes out the whole week. That's very possible because Thursday is either a very trending day or a very reversal day. So that's the game plan for tomorrow. I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? But so that's what I'm looking for, and we'll see what happens. Otherwise, it's just going to shoot up right now. Or obviously, what's our last option? We never take this out, right? We constantly come down. The week closes bearish, and then now we're down here, and Friday kind of fucking. We'll see what Friday does, reversal or not. But same time, I won't be trading Friday, so I can only just talk about what we got. So I don't know, man. This is where we're at, and take a look at the assets real quick because I know it's been a 20-minute video. Look at that. Look, that's a nicer spot. See, so they already are doing what. So S&P is already doing what I wanted Nas to do. So and they've already hit that nice area of ceiling. We just hit our ceiling. You're probably like, "What are you talking about, bro?" I've already mentioned this on another time frame. What was it? The 15-minute? Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, see that so that little patch of price at imbalance, that's where the breakout artists are left. That's where and sure enough, dude, look at this response. Oh my god, I fucked up. Oh fuck, that was the buy. Yeah. I knew I should have held that trade. Oh shit. I'm making this video and this shit's going on. Oh damn, that was it. Yeah, I'm realizing it right now. I should have held that goddamn trade. Fucking bitch, man. Wow. And it is what it is, man. This shit happens all the time. But yeah. So so we're probably gonna close up here and then we're gonna just fly off for Thursday. Damn, bro. Because for you to see a response like that, holy shit, bro. I was just looking at S&P earlier, and it was sitting fucking right here. Oh shit, they've already went all the way up. Because I was doing something else before I made the video. I got ready for the video, and then I'm not even looking at the screen. Damn. Damn, I got out hella early. Why wouldn't this day end like that? I got out right here. So pretty much when it hit the open, I was out. But fuck me, man. Anyways, so you get to see real life with me, huh? Life of me as a trader. So hope that helps. And I've already explained all the options. I went over everything. So yeah, you guys have a good day. Take care and God bless.